Blocker. I love my blocker. That assistant chief security dog of Madayag family. Hello, blocker. Come on, blocker. You're so beautiful. You're black but beautiful. Hello, blocker. You're so beautiful. You're black but beautiful. And this is the moon moon. Oh, beautiful. One body. Hello, body. Body, Emol. Come on, Emol, my body, Emol. And is my original Emol. And this is my chief security dog that I love. With this little body over there. Come on, Mon. Come on. Moonstar. Hello, Moonstar. You're not Moonstar, you're Emol. Hello, Moonstar. Moon. Come on, Moon. Here's the Moonstar. And this is the Moonstar. I love the Moonstar. And that is the Moonstar.